Welcome back to the 6th Gear Garage. I'm going to take a minute from restoring the 1985 4Runner and show you why I love the new Arccaptain app for smartphones. And then I'll also show how to connect to the MIG205 Pro through Bluetooth and control it remotely. So when I'm repairing the floors of these rusty old Toyotas, which is often, I'm inside the vehicle, and every time I want to, say, change the wire speed or the power, I gotta stop what I'm doing. I either gotta climb out this way underneath the roll bar or squeeze through this tiny doorway because I only have a few plugs in this garage, and this is the only way that I can reach. And come over here, adjust my voltage, maybe change my wire speed a little bit, come back over here, climb back inside, and hope this is good. Nope, need to change it again. I'll go this way this time. Come back out. You see how old this gets? And when I'm repairing these old rotted floors using different thicknesses of sheet metal, whatever I might have laying around, I'm stopping a lot to make adjustments. All right, so here is how the app works. Got a nice little intro. We can skip that if we want to. First, connect the device. Really easy to do. My Bluetooth is on my settings, so it already recognizes that the welder is present. And now, click on my device, and I'm ready to go. It shows that I'm currently set up for MIG welding on 2T mode. And if you go down here, you can see I've got lift TIG, stick, MIG, and spool gun settings. And since we're set up for MIG, we'll check that out. A quick diagram of how to set it up. And here's all of our settings. So right now, synergic mode is off. We're in separated mode, and I can turn that on and off here. And by the way, I did a full review of this welder in a previous video, which I will link up here as well as down in the description to show you all these different settings. Go through here, we can see the wire speed, and I can adjust that a little bit at a time. And notice as I change it on my phone, it updates in real time on the welder, or if I want to make a big change, I can click this little button and drag it across. Same goes with the voltage, or I can fine tune it using the plus and the minus. Operation mode, we've got 2T, 4T, and spot welding time, inductance adjustment, and reverse burning time settings. So if you switch to synergic mode on, I can adjust the same thing here, welding speed. And it's really cool that even the LEDs on the dials self-adjust to match the setting that I'm picking through the app. I can adjust the welding wire diameter. I can choose my wire type. Operation mode again, spot welding time. Material thickness isn't adjustable in synergic mode. Inductance adjustment and reverse burning time. And say I get all these settings dialed in for something that I'm going to be working on for a while, I can actually go up here and save this data. We'll name it test. And now I have that saved. And I can click the three dots again later on to use the preset data or delete the preset data. I can also go down here and access any warning information about the welder. And there's also a quick link to the user manual in case you don't want to go dig out the original paper instruction manual every time you need to look something up. Back up one level to the home screen of the app where I see my connected devices. I've got a link for a community to send messages, and this middle button here allows you to use your phone's camera. And there's a link to the Arccaptain store in case you need to do some shopping. And there's a profile link as well. So I'll put a link to the Arccaptain app down in the description, as well as a link to the MIG205 Pro and an additional 5% discount code for all my viewers. Thanks for watching.